Good morning, friends. Happy Monday to all of you. So, friends, it is finally happening. After much pressure from lawmakers, a new stimulus package has finally been signed into law. New $600 stimulus checks will be sent out to millions of Americans. These payments will be going out in several batches. This is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Please, friends, make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter any of the giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below the keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning. In a video later today, I will be announcing the winner of today's giveaway. Please stay tuned for that video.
3,000 jobs to Texas from Samsung, $17 billion investment. Toyota, 1,700 jobs in North Carolina on battery technology. The situation where we've created over 8 million new jobs, where unemployment's down to 3.6% and so on and so forth, as if they're a problem. Where our GDP is going to grow faster than China's for the first time in 40 years. Now, does that mean we don't have problems? We do. We have problems that the rest of the world has, but less consequential than the rest of the world has them because of our internal growth and strength. Here's the situation. And when it comes to the gas prices, we're going through an incredible transition that is taking place that, God willing, when it's over, will be stronger and the world will be stronger and less reliant on fossil fuels when this is over. You see what Europe is doing relative to the importation of Russian gas. You see what, anyway, I won't go through it all, but, and what I've been able to do to keep it from getting even worse, and it's bad. The price of gas.
As this crisis continues and everyday expenses keep rising due to inflation, many U.S. households wonder if they can expect additional stimulus relief. Some Oregon residents may have a $600 stimulus check payment coming their way. Many people are still struggling to get ahead after experiencing financial ruin caused by the crisis. This is especially true for low-income workers who were a critical part of the economy, most especially during the early days of the crisis. As everyday costs climb, it can feel impossible to tackle existing debt or begin setting aside extra money into a savings account. And for this reason, many people feel stuck in their current financial situation. Some low-income workers in the state of Oregon may be receiving extra financial help in the next coming months. State lawmakers recently approved a bill that would provide a one-time $600 payment to eligible residents. These stimulus payments could make a big difference for many residents of Oregon that continue to struggle financially till this day. So residents who qualified for and claimed the Earned Income Tax Credit on their 2020 personal income tax return will be eligible. Also, friends, those who filed an amended 2020 tax return by April 15, 2022 will be eligible to receive these payments. According to the Oregon Department of Revenue, an estimated 250,000 households will qualify. Payments will be distributed through the department. The money will come from the State Fiscal Recovery Fund program as part of the American Rescue Plan Act. The payments will be sent out in the next coming months. The bill was passed in the House with a 42-16 vote. The following day, the Senate approved the bill with a vote of 23-2. Now it awaits a signature from Governor Kate Brown to become law. All eligible Oregon residents will not be required to fill out an application. Instead, residents can expect direct deposit payments or checks as soon as June of this year. And hopefully these checks will provide a positive impact on many households. Friends, what are your thoughts on this new bill? And do you reside in a state that's giving out its residents stimulus checks? Please let me know in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is lighthouse. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is lighthouse, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Now friends, an audit of the Internal Revenue Service found staffers had destroyed 30 million taxpayer documents as they face a massive backlog. However, the tax collection agency says that no taxpayers were adversely affected by the destruction. The Treasury Inspector General for Tax Administration made 3 recommendations for the IRS to improve its processing of paper tax forms and to promote more e-filing. However, the IRS disagreed with 2 of the recommendations. There were no negative taxpayer consequences as a result of this action. Taxpayers or payers have not been and will not be subject to penalties resulting from this action. According to the new report, the destroyed tax documents included W-2 forms and 1099 forms. The IRS has also announced that it will start paying 5% in guaranteed interest to all individuals with delayed tax returns. It will begin adding the interest in July, up a percentage point from the last interest rate hike that took effect in April of this year. The tax agency will also pay 4% interest on delayed corporate tax returns, 5% on underpayments on tax returns, and 7% for large corporate underpayments. The federal government regularly spends billions of dollars in interest on delayed returns. The Internal Revenue Service has paid out almost $14 billion in refund interest in the last 7 fiscal years. Many experts have estimated that such payments totaled $3.3 billion in fiscal 2021 alone. The number of delayed returns still numbers in the tens of millions, having skyrocketed during the crisis as the IRS shut facilities and then diverted resources to administer benefits like the child tax credit. By law, the tax agency has 45 days to process a tax refund. The agency says it gets 90% of refunds issued within 3 weeks. Friends, please let me know in the comment section below if you are still waiting for your tax refund. Well, my fantastic and incredible friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are here with me and watching my videos daily, and I truly hope that you found this video helpful. The winner of Sunday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Terry Brady. Congratulations, my friend. Please note if I have announced you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Remember, friends, I will be giving away Walmart gift cards 4 days a week. So if you would like to enter the giveaways, you simply have to click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you, my dear friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.